Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to search on Netflix. If you are looking for a way to search for movies or TV shows on Netflix, first of all open up a web browser and sign in to netflix.com. Once you're inside the main homepage of Netflix after signing in, go ahead and click on the search bar at the top right hand corner. Simply enter the name of the movie or TV show you are looking for and press enter. Netflix organizes its content into various categories like popular, trending, new releases, and genres. After searching for a content, you will be able to see the search result based on your search. You can also filter search for Netflix by going to the top of the screen and searching from TV shows, movies, latest, browse by languages, and my list category. Netflix recommendation algorithms suggest titles based on your viewing history, so check out for the For You section or Continue Watching section to find personalized recommendations. So that is how you will be able to search for movies or TV shows on Netflix. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.